world! Today we are going on another special day out with my cousin Lily. We're going to a farm zoo thingy in Midgegar. So it's going to be a kind of vlog, I guess, like last time. But did you just throw a peanut at me? That's the most random thing ever. So I'll see you at the zoo farm thingy, which I have no idea what it's called.
It's got a sweetie, sweetest got a sweetie, yummy, yummy, yummy.
This is so disgusting.
If you do want to be the
Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe.